We have confirmation on inbound salvos, bearing 090. Intercept trajectory required now.
Aegis, fire control solution active. Assigning interceptors to all hostile tracks. Aegis reports neutralization confirmed. All domains green.
Acknowledged, Commander. Tracking remains stable.
I'm Commander Smith, and on behalf of the crew, welcome. Behind me is the Aegis Combat System, the most advanced naval defense in the world.
The SPY-1D array placement is critical for the Aegis baseline.
Yes, but the cooling systems need to be routed through Auxiliary 3 before we can power it up.
This schematics show how the fusion process works. We prioritize the active sensor tracks and then correlate the passive inputs to build the recognized air picture.
If we look at the current trajectory, the Aegis assemble should be fully integrated by the end of next quarter.
All right, just keep me updated on the sensor calibration progress.
These rails look solid. We can start pulling the fiber next week.
Confirmed. The schematics match the physical layout here.
The power conduit clearance looks nominal here.
Confirmed. Data lines match schematic 7B.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Thermal checks are stable. We're good to proceed.
The internal sensors are nominal. No breaches detected.
Good. Aegis system integrity confirmed. Logging it now.
Are the grounding straps secure?
Yes, calibrating the optical sensors now.
SN 457 Alpha 902.
Confirmed. Logging complete.
Clear on the left. Watch the turn radius. Copy that. Moving up the ramp now.
All parameters checked and cleared. The module is approved for transfer.
Confirmed. Proceed with the hoist.
Watch the clearance on the left. Almost through. Keep it steady. Clear on my side.
Looks like we have sufficient clearance at this point.
Yes, the numbers match the requirement. We are good to proceed.
This schematic confirms the voltage requirement here.
Okay, I'm getting a steady 24 volts on the meter.
Right, let's lock it down.
Torque is good.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next one.
Connection point secure on Module 7.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. Let's move to the next one.
R14 connector checks out on the schematic.
Confirmed. Ready for integration sequence B.
Connector J45 secure. Torque to specification. Logging final readiness status.
Is that the P2 dedicated line?
Yes, that connects right there.
Route the primary conduit through tray 4. Align with the yellow markers.
Confirmed. Routing to tray 4.
We have full stabilization on the primary core.
Secondary systems report ready. Aegis is online.
The core integration is stable across all parameters.
What about the auxiliary power coupling?
Fully synchronized, we are green.
Confirm the target tracking parameters on the main display.
Confirmed. The data stream is secure and stable.
The thermal readout on Rack 7 is stable. Yes.
Confirmed. Logs match the baseline.
Synchronization is stable across all primary modules. Backup status shows green. Confirmed. Redundancy validation successful. The Aegis CIC core installation is complete. All processors are online and stable. We can begin integration testing immediately.
Monitor phase array stabilization on screen 3.
Acknowledged. Levels holding steady at 98%.
Bring her down 20 centimeters. Steady, steady, we are aligned. Confirmed seated, secure the mounts.
Clear on your end. I'm engaging the primary conduit now.
Confirmed. Power flow stable. Secondary coupling engaging.
Secured.
We have continuity on the K-band input from the SPY array.
Confirmed.
The Aegis processor is showing a stable track file.
Check the prioritization queue on the secondary feed.
Acknowledged.
Radar track is locked to the assignment logic.
The thermal load is climbing faster than projected. We are approaching the safety threshold on Integration Bay 3.
VLS sequence confirms track acquisition on Radar 6.
Cross-system integrity verified. All parameters green.
Look at this data point on the consolidated report. It doesn't align with the projection.
I see it. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence immediately.
Initiate tracking sequence 9. Confirm stability on Azimuth 29er.
Tracking sequence active. Azimuth stable, all systems nominal.
Tracking remains stable on targets Sierra 5 and Kilo 9.
Acknowledged. Maintaining lock.
The queuing timeline aligns with the radar track.
Confirmed. Data spike neutralized.
Validated.
The VLS alignment looks good from here. Yeah, radar's steady. All parameters are within tolerance.
Primary system failure detected. Rerouting to auxiliary now.
Auxiliary engaged. All indicators green. Failover seamless. Integration complete.
Accept. Signed off, Commander.
The Aegis Advanced Subsystem integration is complete. All parameters are nominal, and the system reports full functionality.
Stable sweep, navigation confirms clear channel.
Very good. Keep monitoring.
Captain, radar sweep is complete. Weapon status is green.
Combat, this is Bridge. Aegis system status. Bridge, combat reports green across the board. SPY alignment check complete.
Reading confirmed at 1200 Hertz.
Noted. Proceed to port 4.
As you can see, the system is tracking all incoming vectors simultaneously. Resource allocation remains optimal.
Run the diagnostic on the current weapon assignment.
Processing. Simulation confirms logic verified.
Excellent. Close the loop.
We have a live spike on the Aegis array, section 4.
Did you log the response?
Affirmative, logging now. The fluctuation stabilized.
The stress tolerances are well within limits. Beautiful work.
They really optimized the thermal shielding this cycle.
Final acceptance confirmed. Locking the parameters now.
Aegis readiness is at 98% across all sectors. We are green for the upcoming deployment.
What about the sensor anomaly in Sector 4?
Target trajectory holding steady at bearing 090.
Acknowledged. Confirming data link redundancy test is active.
Gauge reading at point 4.
Copy that. Indicator shows stabilized flow. Ready for seal.
The Aegis commissioning tests are complete, Commander.
Confirmed. Well done, Lieutenant.
Status on the forward array, Sailor.
VLS clear, sir. Aegis suite is fully online. I have a new contact bearing 090.
Acknowledged. Running IFF on that target now.
Command, we have a new hostile track, bearing 090. Designate Sierra 13.
Weapons tight.
Reroute auxiliary power to the forward shields.
Rerouting now, Commander. Sensor, confirm the lock.
Locked on, awaiting authorization.
Highlight that contact, Lieutenant.
Analyzing vector, Captain. Looks like a standard freighter.
Status check complete. All indicators holding steady at green.
Weapon status to green. Engage target 3.
Engaging target 3, bearing 290.
Acknowledged. Full operational capability achieved.
Standby mode deactivated. Fleet control is live.
Acknowledged. All stations, resume routine operations. The long-range scan confirms the contact at bearing 090.
Acknowledged. We are tracking it passively.
Decks cleared and secured, sir. Routine watch established. Very good. Maintain status quo.
Aegis online. Mission ready.
The USS Voyager is fully prepared for this mission. We acknowledge the order and are ready for deployment.
We have confirmation on inbound salvos, bearing 090. Intercept trajectory required now.
Aegis, fire control solution active. Assigning interceptors to all hostile tracks. Aegis reports neutralization confirmed. All domains green.
Acknowledged, Commander. Tracking remains stable.